So I started this off with an introduction to the 5 Platonic solids, which I think has everything to do with time travel. And so in that vein, I'd actually like to quote from the book called Sacred Geometry by Robert Lawlor, Lawlor. On page 96, he says, "What indeed are the most essential volumetric forms? There are 5 volumes, the Platonic solids, which are thought to be the most essential because they are the only volumes which have all edges and all interior angles equal. They are the tetrahedron, the octahedron, the cube, the dodecahedron, and the isosahedron, and are the expression in volume of the triangle, the square, and the pentagon, 3, 4, and 5. All other regular volumes are only truncations of these 5. These 5 solids are given the name Platonic because it is assumed that Plato has these forms in mind in the Timaeus, the dialogue in which he outlines a cosmology through the metaphor of planar and solid geometry. In this dialogue, which is one of the most thoroughly Pythagorean of his works, he establishes that the 4 basic elements of the world are earth, air, fire, and water, and that these elements are each related to one of the solid figures. Tradition associates the cube with the earth, the tetrahedron with fire, the octahedron with air, the isosahedron with water. Plato mentions a certain 5th composition used by the creator in the making of the universe. Thus, the dodecahedron came to be associated with the 5th element, ether or prana. I'd like to stop here for a moment and just say that the 5th element, I think, is the element that is most important in modern physics and the understanding of time travel. So I'll get back to that about the ether and prana in a later talk.